Don't put that on there.
Old but gold, that four giraffes.
Expensive trailer, innit?
And we just sat here whilst you're stuffing your face.
Can I just remind you, I'm running on 0 hours sleep.
That's your decision.
I had to bring the food.
You did have to bring the food. We are silaging and just stretching and growing. We've swapped the milking parlour for the tractor seat. Abby's been on a night shift, so currently hasn't been to sleep.
No point now.
Getting slightly hangry.
Oh, but I'm not even hungry, I'm just eating for the sake of eating.
It's not a good idea. Okay, so we have a big blue trailer, a big red tractor, and we're going to do some silaging.
Should have bought some cleaning stuff to clean the tractor. A bit dusty, innit?
You're a bit dusty.
I have to tell my dad that he needs to clean his tractor.
As you can see, it's perfect silaging weather. It's just stopped raining for the first time in about 5 hours. We're in a 7718. This is Abby's dad's tractor. They all have their own tractors here. So he's on the pit, butt braking, so we've got his tractor.
We're up next, Joshy.
We are up next. There's a whole fleet of 7718s. At least it stopped raining for a minute.
Yeah. How many fields are up here?
Your farm, you should know. You reckon he's full yet?
Well, you'd think so.
Now I get a bit more in there yet. Look. You can't leave 10 foot of a road left, can you? They'll split now, it'll be lovely, like a little... What a scene.
Like a little parting.
Like a middle parting.
Like in your neck? Yeah, middle parting.
Oh, who drilled this? Oh my word. Hello, Benjamin. It's so bumpy that it's making the spout bounce, and like half of it's hitting the back of the trailer and half of it's hitting the side.
The thing is, it doesn't look bumpy.
It's because the drills are, it's been drilled one way and we're going across it. He's getting faster.
The speed machine. No speed awareness courses in a field, is there, Joshie?
No. Although I have got to do another one. Got caught on the M4. My bad. Stupid variable speed limit.
Well, I managed to not get any speeding tickets on there.
Well, aren't you wonderful?
Yeah. I was more wary about them because I knew that you'd got a ticket.
Actually, I helped you not get a ticket. That's what you're saying. What a helpful person I am. I'm glad we've got suspension. Oh my lord. Oh, he nearly blocked it. Saved it, Ben. Well done.
Don't jinx it.
It's not fair. You can turn really sharp and quick. We've got to go all the way around that. Bobble, bobble, bobble. Abby reckons we're nearly full, so we've probably got another 3/4 of the trailer to go yet.
Well, we're not going to get another full row in there,
by the time we wobble it about on this headland a bit, look.
Yeah, but we're not going to get another full row.
Wobble, wobble. Plenty in the tank, sir.
Thumbs up. We're full.
Fire up, let's go! couldn't get up the hill.
I saw you like reverse it up there.
Had to do some creative driving to get out.
I just wondered what was going on. But I was like, yeah. Some of the trees come down.
Andrew did the same thing, he got stuck on the corner. He wouldn't go up over, so he had to back there.
Oh really?
I thought we'd get away with it because we weren't quite as loaded, but... Right, situation update. We're broken down. There's a little valve on the back of the forager that's screwed in tight. I don't know what it's for, but the screws have let go, the threads have gone, and so he's lost nearly all his oil. So we're just waiting for someone from Hamleys, which is a class dealer, to come out. They're going to fix it. We've got a bit of oil. Hopefully they're going to bring some too, and we should be up and running again in a minute, but it gives us a chance to eat something, doesn't it? Now I haven't mentioned, but today is a Thursday. Thursdays are my day off that I have in the week, so that's why I'm up here silaging, not back home calving. They've had 13 calves today already, and what's the time now? 2:30, so there's a lot of the day to go as well. Just my luck, the one day we're off, all the calves turn up. So it'll be a busy day when we get back tomorrow, sorting out fresh cows and whatever. We're going to run half of one of the dry mobs home again and sort them out, so that'll be something to show you in the next video. Abby's currently waiting over there somewhere behind us to show the Hamleys guy in off the road, because we're like 4 fields deep into a block of ground, so you'd never ever see it off the road. We just come to show him where to go. From what Abby's brother Ben said, they've done this little fix before on one of the other valves, so they know what they're doing. Just a case of doing it. I do love a chip stick. Whilst we're waiting, we'll have a look at the kit. So you don't see many NC trailers, but Abby's family's got 3 of them, all identical. Big old floaty tyres, they are huge. Dread to think what they cost to replace. Up and over hydraulic doors, which are awesome. Grain hatches, so they use these for grain as well as silage. Yeah, they were smart. We're quite a uniform fleet today. There's 3 7718s, so same as this. There's 3 of these NC trailers, and then there's one of their old, I think they're Richard Weston trailers, on one of the 7718s. So 2 of the 7718s belong to Abby's dad and brother that are on the dairy unit. Abby's other brother, he's got one, which is here helping out. He's got another farm. And then Ben's tractor, which is a 6480, is on one of these blue trailers as well. Them chunky big old springs. The only thing they don't have is air, but at the time they didn't have any tractors with air. I don't think this one does. No. But the new one does. I think you can always just stick a tank on them and upgrade them. I don't really know, to be honest. We're back in business. Hamley's van, come and save the day. Here's the wife. Hello, wife.
We're going to Hamleys van. Now he's finished.
Infield repair complete.
What was that, an hour?
Yeah.
Longer?
Very fiddly.
Oh.
Right, we are back from the breakdown. And the sun's been out now, so all the concrete in front of the pit here is dry, which is nice. We're slipping and sliding our way in. Abby's dad is somewhere back here on the pit. He tends to stay back out of the way when he knows you're tipping. Oh, tell you what, I could do with a nap. There's the tail door down. We are tipped, ladies and gentlemen. I don't normally come out and do a circle in the field, but I thought I would this time. There he is, living his absolute best life. Oh, here's the lady in a lovely green JM Farming polo shirt, available via the link in the description. He was travelling.
Crikey. He wasn't expecting a tractor on the corner, was he?
Whatever it is.
I think they need to go in the fridge, don't they, really? They've been out all day now.
Did a bit of Snapchatting.
I'd say for the gram, but it's not.
I've saved it. It will also go on the gram. How about that? 17 calves today.
You reckon?
Yeah. That's a few, isn't it?
I would say. Who's on feeding?
Not me.
I reckon that trailer's cool.
This truck's bleeping at me because I've got my seatbelt on. Right, our silaging day has come to an end. Adam's tractor, so Abby's other brother, has gone into limp mode and it won't come out. So Jake, who's driving that one for Adam, is going in the one that me and Abby were in. And then I'm actually off home, so it's now 6 o'clock, or 6:15. And on a Thursday night, as you all know, I play darts. So off home to darts. I've got an important match tonight, and then next week I've made it into the finals night of our summer league. So depending on how I get on tonight, that will decide who I play against in the semi-final next week. So big games. But yeah, nice to be out on a bit of silage, because obviously we don't do that now working back near home. I couldn't do that every day though, bouncing around in the tractor. I enjoy cows too much, and I like my back working. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe. It is free, helps me out loads, doesn't cost you guys a penny. On a side note, 16 calves spawned today at home. Mental, absolutely mental. We better get back and see them tomorrow. Anyway, cheerio.